Yo, what up everybody? How's it going? How are you doing today? We have another horror movie coming up, The Autopsy of Jane Doe. Now, I think when this gets uploaded that it'll be the second horror movie of the long list of horror movies that I got planned for this month. So, thank you for being here. Really appreciate it. If you like what you're about to see, please consider subscribing or give the video a thumbs up. Would really like that. And yeah, we're gonna watch the Autopsy of Jane Doe. And I know nothing of this movie. I don't know where I'm going with this. Just based off the cover alone, it kind of seems, I don't know why I'm wearing this. It kind of seems like an autopsy, obviously, of a mystery woman, because it's Jane Doe, and that's it, which isn't really something I want to see right now, because I am not a person who wants to see any dead body just start moving around, and I have a feeling that this is going to move around. I don't like that. That scares me. Things that shouldn't be moving should not move. That's how it should be. So, not a big fan of that. I guess we'll go in and see. But thanks everybody for being here. Really do appreciate it. And all right. Gonna take my movie enhancers for this one. Let's do it. Autopsy of Jane Doe. On.
We got an ID on her?
No, sir. No relation to Paul and Carol.
Who's she?
Well, for now, she's a Jane Doe.
Jane Doe.
You got something?
Nothing was stolen. Not a
I mean,
scratch on the outside of the house either.
She was buried. Who knows how long
Like
she's
someone
been there,
broke
but
in.
she looks
To me, it looks like
fresh, if
they were
that's the
trying to
word.
break out.
Yeah, she doesn't look like she's been underneath for too long. Yeah, I'd probably just listen to music too. Why not? Who's gonna complain? Oh, they have to record it too? Wow. A lot goes on in an autopsy, it seems.
When was the last time you even went to go see a movie, Dad?
She has Alzheimer's, and he's building her a house.
The Notebook?
Oh, yeah, your birthday.
Never seen that.
I fell asleep 5 minutes in.
Maybe that'll happen to me.
Are you all right finishing up?
Yeah.
So what do they do with the bodies if nobody claims them? How long would they keep them? Oh, this is like a it's a cat with a mouse.
Family.
An offering. You bring cat
Yeah.
dead bodies, cat brings dead mouse.
Stanley got another one.
It was a gift, and you threw it away.
Dad?
I was gonna say, it seems like this place is a family business. Kind of creepy to get involved in that, but you know, whatever. That's what they thrive in. Somebody's got to do it. Oh. Why would you do that?
Where are you going?
I'm having a little look.
Come back.
God, the place just keeps going.
Well, 3 generations of Tildens keep expanding, end up at this state-of-the-art facility.
Oh, so this just been the same spot the whole
Down
time?
here all day.
Are these all people?
Just 3 tonight.
Can I see one?
What? No, no, you cannot.
Disrespectful.
Because there's no. And my dad, he's way too strict.
Try me. Pick one.
one next to it.
Weird. How about no? With the bell.
So coroners tied bells to every body in the morgue. So if they heard a ting, they knew somebody down there wasn't quite ready to go.
So why do you have one?
I'm a bit of a traditionalist.
In case it's not dead.
Why do you cover his...
Judging by the progress it made through his bloodstream, he was already dead by the time somebody blew his face off.
Oh.
Why would anyone do that?
Leave the why to the cops and the shrinks. We're just here to find cause of death.
Yeah, probably to make sure he's dead. Don't touch that.
You should have seen the look on your face.
I can't wait to see the look on your face. You're not getting laid.
Wait, whoa, hold on.
Well, hold on now.
Even if I ply you with popcorn and Sour Patch Kids?
Okay, you're cute.
And a bag of hot Cheetos.
Where's your dad?
What happened?
Bring her back here, Sheldon.
Dad, if you need me to stay.
Oh, don't worry about it. You two go have your fun.
You know, is it like 24/7? You can just come down with the body?
This isn't my life. I don't want to be Austin Tilden, the morgue worker.
No?
He needs my help right now.
Come on, it's been 2 years. He can take care of himself.
2 drinks, 11 o'clock, I'm all yours. I promise.
He's already there.
And don't,
Also,
don't
what
blow your whole
happened
game.
2 years ago?
Still, it would have been nice to take a look at the crime scene.
I got 4 people dead and no goddamn clue how any of it connects.
Nobody's pissing in your grits here, Shal. But we do have protocol.
Press is gonna need answers on this in the morning, and I got nothing.
You know, say, yeah, we got a Jane Doe.
They'll buy it.
Time's right.
It's gotta be tonight.
Put the music back on.
Autopsy of an unidentified female, henceforth known as Jane Doe. This autopsy will be conducted in 4 stages, beginning with an external evaluation, followed by an internal evaluation of the heart and lungs, the digestive organs, and finally, the brain.
Eyes. Gray.
You don't see clouding like that unless the body's been dead for days.
Or blind, maybe? No rigor mortis.
No rigor mortis either. When do you think she died?
She's colder than the ambient temperature.
What conditions at the scene?
I am not liking that face. I mean,
How small
it's a nice
is
face,
this?
just I don't want it to stare at me like that.
How do you break your wrists and ankles without any outward signs?
I see it all the time. Simple fractures.
Simple? Her joints are shattered.
So her wrist and ankles are just completely gone.
Cancer. Heavier. This is peat. I haven't seen this stuff in ages.
Eat? What's that?
And it's under her toenails too.
Yeah.
Well, she was buried.
in it?
Yeah, wasn't she?
Where do you even find peat?
You buy it in the nursery. Up north. Not around here.
So did she die somewhere else?
There's
Ooh.
Tongue has been
severed. Crudely.
Completely cut off.
Surgically. I've seen something like this before. About 15 years back.
You've seen this before?
Tight. To keep them from running. Cut out the tongues. For making too much
I
noise.
think this was some kind of a prostitution thing.
A sex trafficking thing?
Can't rule it
I don't
out.
think so. Like, you can't rule it out. Okay. All right. Play along. She's bleeding? What? What the? You're gonna bleed.
On the lower left side. Take some impressions.
I think the blood would just be like dried out. I don't know how it works actually. How long your blood is okay, or like at least dripping after you're dead.
It's definitely some kind of fabric.
Yeah, they're doing a lot within 2 hours. Cause wasn't she supposed to come back?
Grooves in the tissue.
Raisins?
Yeah. Cuts. Deliberate.
On the inside?
Severed tongue, shattered joints, vaginal trauma.
Running out of time. What's happening? Crazy radio. It's all about the what? It's all about the what? Bleeding. It's pulsing.
I've seen it, but only in a fresh corpse.
You've
Now
seen
I'm
it.
dead, maybe
You've
she
seen
was
it.
caused-
Seen it all.
You hand me the rib cutters?
What the hell? Did he drop it?
Today?
Whoa.
What did you do?
Oh, I got it.
I need you to focus here.
Like the one time he made a mistake. Oh. Oh. What's he doing?
Lungs severely blackened.
Wouldn't have taken it.
I'd expect the body to be covered in third-degree burns.
Right.
It's like
What do you think that is? Genetic defect?
probably scar tissue.
On the lungs? Inside the body?
Fire-burned lungs, scarred organs. What would she look like?
Disfigured beyond recognition. But she's not.
Yeah, it's like
I mean,
perfectly
how the hell do you
preserved.
even do that? I'll get it.
His lady friend. Did he forget? Or is it the cat? Oh, cool. Smudge on the mirror. What's happening? This girl's the devil. I already made up my mind. Oh. Did he just cut his wrist with the scalpel? Shoot. You'd better hurry up and figure out what the hell the noise is. Yeah, it's his dad, right? Oh my god! What the hell happened to the cat? Who could do such a thing? Oh, that sucks. The fact that it was still alive. What's up with these horror movies killing animals? I thought there was a code. I thought there was an unspoken rule about all this.
What are you doing?
The drawer. Must have not closed it all the way.
Stanley was a pain in the ass. But he was your mother's.
Oh,
One of the few things of hers I had left.
damn.
Yeah, I miss her too.
Right. Let's keep going.
Damn. Don't just push him off like that.
Stage-
Maybe that's what happened 2 years ago.
Beginning with
His
the
wife
stomach and
died.
the gap-
And why taking off your gloves?
Jimson weed, paralyzing agent. Probably explains the inflammation in her organs. Here's a weird thing.
Oh my god, was she still alive?
Dad, how about we just finish this in the morning?
Burke needs a COD tonight. You want to leave? Leave.
Okay. Is it more of the flower? Her tooth. Isn't that it?
It looks like some kind of shroud.
And
Same cloth. Yeah. Oh, I thought we already discovered this.
Someone pulled out her tooth, wrapped it in fabric, and forced her to swallow it. First, they bound her. Then they ripped out her tongue, poisoned her, paralyzed her, forced her to swallow the cloth. Then the cuts, the internal mutilation, stabs.
Is it
Then,
though?
as if
She doesn't have
that wasn't in her.
external damage.
Almost like a human sacrifice.
you can't kill someone this way without leaving a trace on the outside. She doesn't
Right.
even have a broken.
Find out why she was tortured.
Down here, if you can't see it, touch it, it doesn't matter.
Trust me when I tell you, this is not a storm you want to get caught in, folks.
I think the radio's trying to tell you guys something.
One thing's for sure, you're not going anywhere.
It's all about the devil.
That's your final destination intuition. I'm trying to cut stuff, man. What is he doing? What did he see?
Open up your heart and let the sunshine in.
What is...
Holy shit.
What the hell?
'Cause I'll never wear a
Ooh!
if we keep on smiling. We'll get tired of spinning round so.
You're done. You're done. Dude, they're all open.
Let's get the fuck out of here.
Yeah. Dude, don't make this into some found footage thing now.
Generator.
Better use that elevator. Actually, no, don't use that. Take the stairs.
The old sycamore bell! The office. The landline.
There's a landline in the office.
Sheldon, it's Tommy. You better get over here now. Sheldon, we're trapped down here, goddamn. Sheldon, please.
They're stuck. Probably should have listened to the radio. Oh my god. For being old-fashioned. Dude, don't go on the ground. Ooh. Oh.
What the fuck is going on? Everything was fine until Brooke wheeled her through that door.
Sam,
Until we cut into her.
Yeah.
you're talking about a corpse.
Is he not seeing the same thing?
Dad!
Oh, I saw that shadow. What the hell? Oh. Oh. White eyes. Oh my god. Dude, too much. Too much is happening.
It had her eyes.
That's what I've been trying to tell you. It's her.
What do we do?
Come out with some guns, ready to kick ass. That's the freaking guy with no face. Dude, those freaking bodies are just walking around. I didn't even think about that. I knew that they were like walking, but I didn't know if it was the same bodies we just saw.
Rapid decomp.
Everything we took out of her. It's almost like her body was preserving it.
Let's get her to the crematorium.
Are they expecting to, if they get rid of the body, then they'll fix it? Because he said they were gonna, let's go to the crematorium, or crematorium. I can't pronounce stuff right now. Yeah, burn it. Burn it. That's the one with the eyes shut.
Fuck it.
Fuck it. Yeah, there you go. I'm so glad that the dad's on his side right now. He's like, no, we must preserve it. We must. The cop needs it. They ain't gonna burn it hot enough though, right? Jesus. Oh, Lord. And guess what? Body is perfectly fine.
The elevator.
Baiting him.
Come on.
Yep. Oh no. Oh no. That looked like a clown face. I love that they're barely showing it. And now they're stuck. You threw it. Why'd you throw it? Nope. Nope.
Oh my God.
Nope. You could have made yourself known. Unless the thing's playing tricks on them. Using his wife.
Come on.
And killing his son's girlfriend.
Come on, son.
How did she even get down here? Oh, maybe the first time it showed up and they were trying to chase it.
You know why I used to call her Ray? Ray of sunshine.
Ray Skywalker.
Shit. To think she was carrying around all that pain, all that unhappiness every day.
Oh.
I should have seen it.
Did she commit suicide?
But I didn't.
I shouldn't say that. Did she end herself?
She had to deal
I don't
with
know
it
if that's the right
alone.
way to say it. I don't know what doesn't get flagged. No, the cat. The cat's alive.
It's like there's something she doesn't want us to find.
Maybe she just doesn't want to get cut up. Possibility.
Maybe we can figure out how to stop her.
What does the paper say? Gotta decipher that maybe. Or just scoop everything out of her body. It seems to decompose quickly. Father-son duo. With smoke. Ooh, I don't know who that was.
Dad?
What happened to him? Did Did he just get cut up? What happened to him? Do all the steps. Get the brain.
Brain appears normal.
Set it up. Find out.
Organs are scarred.
Put it back like nothing happened.
Fuck.
What is it?
Dude, just say it. We don't have time.
That's why we couldn't find cause of death.
Not dead.
She's still alive.
Alive. We lit her on fire. We took out her heart.
Right.
Energy, call it what you want. Something's keeping her going.
Something to do with that piece of paper or the, the cloth.
What? Leviticus.
Oh, Leviticus. Are they gonna check the Bible?
Let me see that. Leviticus.
That 40.
20,
Oh, 20.
27.
Okay. I thought there were more X's there.
1693.
Any man or woman who consults the spirits of the dead shall be put to death, for they are
17th century. Northeast. New England. They are a witch, and their blood shall be on their own heads.
A witch?
everything they did to her. Everything we've done to her. She can feel it. She wants us to feel it, too.
Oh. Jeez.
But why us?
Why the Douglases? Why anybody? We were on a path, that's all. We were just stops along the way.
So how do we get rid of her?
She's still suffering.
Well, how do we kill her then? How do we put her out of her misery?
I won't fight you. But please, please, don't hurt him.
What's happening now? Seems like he made a deal with her.
No.
Oh no. Is she using him to repair herself? Ooh. Like switching places. Do it. Do it. Gotta do it. Stomach too. Jeez. We stab him in the heart. Oh, what about the witch now? Oh no. It's looking pretty bad for you. You going to jail. You going to jail.
No, I'm trying. It's stuck. I can't.
Open up.
I can't.
Open up your heart and let the sun shine in.
The heck? Now it's your dad. Okay, so why did the dad want to kill him? Yeah, same thing like in the house, just people that looked like they were trying to escape. I wonder if they even knew that the body was there. They probably, maybe they did. Did they dig up the basement and just found it?
Well, it's gonna be another nice one out there.
What the hell happened here?
What do you want to do with her?
Get her out of here.
Already got a car waiting. There's that funeral home over in Roxton.
Get her out of my county. Take her over to VCU. Let Board Lamont deal with her.
He just doesn't want the body at all. Jeez. Perfectly preserved. What the heck? Just ready to take the next victims. Like, screw your deal, old man. I'll kill both of you no matter what.
Says the word of God is powerful.
Just open your heart and let Smilers never lose. And open up your heart and let the sun shine in.
That's some Michael Bay ending right there. All right, that's an Autopsy of Jane Doe. The Autopsy of Jane Doe, or Demon Witch, whichever you want to call it in this movie. Okay, so that was the Autopsy of Jane Doe, and to be honest, I didn't really like it all that much. Maybe not like it is a strong word, but I think it just wasn't what I thought it was going to be. I thought it was going to be some crazy dead body just moving around. Kind of like that one game, the Mortician. I forgot what it was. It dealt with morticians, though. Mortician's Assistant. I think that's what it was called. But it really didn't do anything like that. In fact, I feel like the only scary part, the biggest scary part, was that sudden photography at the very beginning of this movie, because it was so sudden. Other than that, every single moment that they were trying to like get you lasted way too long. Like they dragged it out, I thought. And so when the moment finally did happen, it wasn't really like all that surprising. I don't know. So I actually got all these movies recommended by ChatGPT. I was like, hey, I want to do a thing. Help me out here. Give me a schedule. And I don't know where to start with horror movies because I don't want to watch all the good ones. I don't want to do that. No, we gotta save that. We gotta let this last. And also, I just didn't really know anything about horror movies, so this was one of them. I'm still glad I saw it, and I'm glad that you guys are here with me to watch it, and I really appreciate it. If you do like what you saw, please subscribe to the channel. I would really appreciate it. It kind of gives me a little motivation to keep going, you know. Give the thumbs up. Give the video a thumbs up. I got it. And yeah, really appreciate it. I'm not hating the movie. I don't hate it. Like, there was some good stuff in here. And what's her name? Emma just getting blasted with a fire axe. I don't know. I think she could have made herself known that she was there. Like, yell out names. But maybe that's just the witch screwing with it. Yeah, you know? That's what happens. I did like the mysteries like leading up to the figuring out like what killed her, because as they were cutting her open and then seeing more and more unusual clues, and she's doesn't have any stiffness from being dead, she's bleeding, all that stuff, that was really interesting. And them cutting back and forth to see her face also was good on their part, because I was just waiting for her to just wake up, but that didn't happen. I think that's just the expectation of me thinking it was going to happen, and that's kind of what drew the intensity of them doing the autopsy. Yeah, I don't think they're all going to be home runs. Not for me. It's got 86% Rotten Tomato, so that surprises me. But I'm ready to watch the next horror movie. Hope you guys are here for it. But until then, peace.